I found this fake marble tabletop at a charity shop for 15 pounds, so I'm gonna turn it into something pretty cool. I removed the screws on the bottom and I grabbed 2 plant stands. I then screwed holes in the top of them, scuff sanded the glossiness down, and I attached them to the bottom of this tabletop with some screws. Once it was securely on, I cut tons of some spare half wood dowels and I attached them to both the plant stands all around, and then I stained them in my favorite stain color. When it was dry, I put a little bit of decoration on it, and this is my new little coffee table. I think it's so cool. It's very mid-century. What do you guys think? Because you know I love it.